Let's begin with logical operator AND. The logical operator AND will return true if both the conditions are true. So if you give true and true, the output would be true. But if any of the operands is false, then the value will be false. And if I make the second operand is false, it becomes false. So it is true only when both the operands on the either side are true. The NOT will change the sign from true to false and vice versa. So for example, if you give NOT of true, then it will become false. And similarly, if you give NOT of false, then it would become true. Next, we have OR operator. OR operator will give true if any of the value is true. It will return false only if both the values are false. So if you will say false or true, then it will give true. But if you give false or false, then since both the values are false, it will give false. So that means out of 4 combinations, it will give false in only one combination. Rest all 3 combinations, when it is true or true, true or false, false or true, all the 3 combinations will give the true value. Only value false would be when both the operands are false. Next, let's move on to the comparison operator.